Hey, if you watched today's show on Toyota and accessing repair procedures on the Toyota Camry, well, one of the things that we mentioned was that Toyota has moved the cribs. So typically in places that we found them, such as links within the iCar RTS portal or on OEM One Stop or Crash Network or some of the other places, well, they're now gone. So I thought I might dive just a little bit deeper in how you find those. So you're going to want to access TIS. They have all now been stored into the TIS file. But when you enter TIS, the first thing, if you're looking for cribs, is do not enter any vehicle information. So that would be, don't put the VIN in or don't choose a make or model. You want a completely blank search. So keep in mind, if you're going to look for the cribs, probably the first thing you're going to want to do when you get into TIS, but you're going to go up into keyword and you're going to type in CRIB in all capital letters, and you're going to hit the search. And that's going to render you up a whole lot of data. And as you go down through the bottom, if you can scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, well, you'll see an entire folder that just says cribs, and all 169 of them are there still for you to go look at and find. You can expand that list. It'll pull them all up. You can star them, put them in your folder so that you can have them available when you return. You can bring them out as a PDF. Any of the ways that you were traditionally using those cribs are all there. They're all still there, just a little bit different for us to find now, and they will require you to have a TIS subscription to go in and see them when they are updated. Thanks for watching the show today, and we'll see you next time on OEM Repair University.